Welcome back to another episode of the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today, we'll look at how a precision engineering company introduced control and tracking into its operations using MRP software. Intake Engineering is a precision engineering company from Whitstable, England. It specializes in CNC turning and milling, with a special focus on sliding headwork. While the company has only been active for about 4 years, its predecessor, Woodfields, was in business for around 50 years before the takeover. With a team of 10 employees, the company serves customers in the oil and gas, aircraft, and electrical sectors, with a large part of their revenue coming from repeat business from a few large clients. According to the company, its implementation of MRP software has made every piece of vital information easily accessible. Everything is just a click away, and I can access it anywhere, says Director Lee Brien. It's a godsend. Before Brien joined the company in October 2024, the business was run on multiple separate systems, mainly different spreadsheets. They were putting in jobs on one system, making a stock list on another, and so forth, he says. The lack of integration and efficiency of the management system prompted the company to implement an MRP solution. The owner of Intake Engineering had frequently visited Lee's previous employer, where Lee and his team used MRP Easy to run the operation. Impressed with the software's usability, he decided to implement it in his business as well. The price of the system played a big role, Lee maintains. We haven't found another package that does what MRP Easy does. This price range with such breadth of functionality, an open API, and a large variety of native integrations is practically unbeatable. However, when Lee was hired as director, he found that the software was not being used to its full potential, with many of the business's functions still being performed within spreadsheets. His first order of business was to get MRP Easy properly implemented. He started by setting up the bills of materials, production routings, and inventory tracking, which he believes to be the basis for successful adoption. I personally think that with concentrated effort, you could sit down and implement MRP Easy within a weekend, he suggests. Everything can be managed using a smartphone. According to Lee, the re-implementation has given the company a large degree of discipline and control. In a company that used to put purchase orders in verbally, every action is now logged and each item is tracked. Now it's all completely set up so I can manage the business even on my phone at home, Lee says. I can look at the jobs, see where the material is, see what's coming in, check progress on the shop floor, and so forth. It's fantastic. For Lee, one of the most significant benefits of the system is the seamless communication it enables with his clients. Within just moments, he can find the customer order in question, see when production is due, send out an invoice, and ship out the order. Everything is just a click away and I can access it anywhere, he says. Invoicing is fantastic now. It doesn't tie you up as much as before, and the shipment side of things is great. It's a godsend, really. As a final recommendation to other small manufacturers, Lee suggests that everyone try out a system like MRP Easy. Just try it. It's so easy, he says. I've used other systems, and nothing measures up to MRP Easy. That wraps up this episode of our manufacturing podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.